Well, I'm back from the doctor's. I had to let my hair down. It just wasn't working up today for me. Didn't say today is Friday. I am back home, and I got a flu shot, so my arm's a little sore. Just basically at the doctor's, we did a checkup, talked. He wanted to know how the fibromyalgia was doing, how I was, feeling with the pain and so forth. Last few days, I've been feeling pretty good. The last couple of weeks, I was feeling really bad. I've had some terrible headaches, but he didn't say much about that. Oh, I forgot to tell him, though, about this broken tooth. So I may have to tell him or call him, say about that. I did get to ask him about estrogen. After he left the room, I asked the nurse, so they're going to call me back about that. Because I'm still having terrible hot flashes. But all he ever wants to talk about really is fibromyalgia. He never talks about arthritis or neuropathy, any of the other stuff, the lupus or anything. He did say that my neurologist or one of the doctors I went to a few months back, what was it, October, a list like this long of blood work they want to do some checking on things. So I haven't had a chance to go get that done. Since I don't drive, it makes it difficult. So I'm waiting. My husband works at night, and I have to wait and kind of schedule everything around Shelby. So he said I definitely need to get that blood work done. So, and I didn't get to talk to him either about why am I gaining so much weight and I don't eat. He talked to me how it'd be nice if I could do some of that water therapy like I used to do in Georgia. If there's nothing around me here to do that, because that used to help me feel better. And then also some massage therapy would be great to make me feel better. But there again, that costs money that I do not have. So it's just like the same thing every 3 months. But he said he is happy that, I have cut back in the medication, which all I take is tramadol. And so he was going to cut me completely off of it, which I got a little terrified about it. And I said, look, that's all I take. So he said, well, you need to at least cut back. And I did. So he was happy about that. And I just deal with the pain. They went to go pick up my daughter's car. And I thought I was going to, but I ended up fixing coffee and they didn't want to wait. So I'm sitting here, and then I guess we're going out to the Cheesecake Factory. She'd stuck Nugget in his pen, and I got tired of hearing him whining, so I ended up letting him out. I don't know why she did that if I was going to be here. I had to fix all the pillows back on the sofa because I can't stand it when they get torn apart like that. The house is a mess enough. And I really wish I could get something done. I was trying to fix up behind the sofa, that little thing behind the sofa, the little bookshelf, and I didn't get it finished. But I've got the sleigh and the reindeer there. So I'm thinking I'll put that there. I don't know where all my plants are. My, like the poinsettias and the holly. I had a whole bunch of stuff to do arrangements with, and I can't find any of it. So I guess I may have to call my mom and see if she's got it with her stuff or not, because I store everything over there at her house. I mean, I see the stuff that I had some gold. I don't want to use that. So I don't know. Maybe it's here somewhere and I'm just not seeing it mixed in with the other stuff. So I have to look and see if I can find it. So I may have to go to the Dollar Tree and see. No, I don't want to go to Dollar Tree. I'll probably go. I see something there, but that's not. That's just little pieces. Maybe I can get some at Walmart. I think Walmart's cheaper when it comes to buying stuff like that, because usually you can get it 89 cents a bush instead of $1 a bush. So maybe I can get someone to take me to Walmart. Maybe after we eat, my husband will take me. I've got some cash on me. So I'd like to do that and fix me a flower arrangement up. And I'd like to do a wreath. I've got a couple of wreaths that need to be redone.
You're not taking a picture at all. They're saying hi, waving. Hi. So.
Right. Hi YouTube. How's your day? We have Shelby.
Hi, Chris.
Can you turn that light off? Right.
I know.
Wave hello.
I first saw the guy behind us. There's like literally a guy right there.
Wave. Say hello. I know it's bright.
What are you putting this on YouTube?
Yeah.
But I thought.
No way.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
But I thought.
I'm doing
just laughing
Vlogmas.
about that.
Yeah, I'm doing Vlogmas.
You too.
I should go down there.
But I thought you were that.
Yeah, I can.
You can.
I can.
YouTube. Today we were with Shelby's birthday. She's gonna. Mom, can you please turn that light off?
Hang on.
Wait, Shelby.
Wait a minute. Hold on.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Everybody sitting around.
Is that better?
Just blinded everybody. Oh God.
Now my video is going to be dark though.
Well, you haven't even looked at it, have you?
What's that?
Wait till you look.
You've not eaten here before?
Oh yeah. Not me.
Down there. What are you going to get? Salmon?
What?
What are you getting, salmon?
I don't. Yeah, probably.
Shrimp scampi? That's your favorite? Chocolate chip?
Alright,
Cookie dough cheesecake?
what's yours?
Let's see. I think.
This one?
Yeah, I think that one is the one Steven's getting for us.
Alright.
They all look good though, don't they?
Yeah. But come here. You know what's bigger than this whole thing? It's called. Come here.
Hold on, let me finish the video. Get them all in there. They all look so yummy.
So guys, this is YouTube vlogs. I don't know why, but these are all the cheesecakes we're gonna eat. But yeah.
They all look so good.
Yes, they do. Sometimes I like this one, but sometimes it's like my favorite, but I like chocolate chips, so, you know, it's like sometimes bigger, but that's the 4 and small, 2 times bigger.
that, or did he do that?
Why are you standing all the way over there for?
Shelby.
Happy birthday, Shelby. Love you. Love you.
Did they give me anything good?